Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can create a landing page like this. This is a very good landing page which I have created for myself. You can see I have connected my WhatsApp number. You can request me a call back, my YouTube channel link, Facebook link, Instagram link, and these tabs are also showing my links. You can also email me directly from here. My clients can contact me easily, so I get a lot of leads from this place. And yes, this is a best platform. And how I create it, I will show you. You need to open this link tre.ee. I will share this link in the description of this video as well. So after opening it, you need to click on get started, and I will tell you this is free of cost. You can go for a free version, and it is the best tool which I am using. Here you need to enter your user ID and password, and just click on sign up for this account. Make sure to remember this username and password, and after that you will get a confirmation mail on your given email address. So after that you need to check your email address. So now I have received email for verification. I need to verify it. Enter password. Need to fill in my information. So I will go for free version. Sign up for free. Continue. So in the appearance you can go first. You can select this one, like I have selected. This is free version, free theme. You can enter your profile. And type in your description. You can type anything as per requirement. You can choose your image. After selecting image, you can crop it accordingly. Click on save and upload. So image is saved, and you have selected this theme. Select this one, free one. Okay, so you can see this preview here at the right hand side. You need to go to settings. You can enter your email ID here. Facebook page you can enter here. You can paste Twitter handle here, Instagram here, YouTube links you can paste accordingly, and you will get tabs like this. Now you need to go to links. You can see these two tabs are showing now, email ID and Facebook. I can add others as well. In add links, I need to click on this thing, add link. you can paste the title like Facebook, enter the link. This is for Facebook. You can enter your Facebook URL and click on add new link. Type Instagram. Now you can type in Instagram link here in URL section, and you can add more links like WhatsApp or Twitter, any other link you can add. You can see these things. So you just need to now go to this link and check it out. So you can see I can add more things from here and I can do more customization, and this is free of cost, and it will redirect to my Instagram or Facebook page by clicking here. You can see it is redirecting to directly to my Instagram page, and similar to this I need it is redirecting my Facebook page. You can see my Instagram is open now. You can see. So I hope now you will be able to create your landing page using Linktree, and in case you face any problem, just comment below. I will give you prompt reply. Thank you friends for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.